YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa. Today's video is this makeup look right here. I was super bored today and decided to test out some new makeup. I got some new makeup at Ulta yesterday. Wanted to test it out and also wanted to play around with makeup, see how my makeup skills were, and I'd say pretty up to par still because I don't do full glams like ever. Really love how the look turned out. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the makeup look. So I do have some spots going on, but I wanted to just play around with makeup. Everything I'm using is going to be from the drugstore, so it's super affordable. Everyone can go purchase it. So yeah, let's just jump into it. So I think I'm gonna start with the eyes. First, I'm gonna put on primer. This is what I love to do. I love putting on primer. Okay, that just shot out so much. I love to put on primer like before I do anything. That way it like just sinks into the skin. So I kind of have some on my fingers. And this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, the Dewy one. Okay. I'm just gonna apply that all over. I don't have any new face palettes that I saw at Ulta when I went, because everything was like kind of sold out. So yeah, so I think I'm like debating between these two right here, but I think I'm gonna go with the Colourpop one. It's called Cute AF. I love this for like summertime, so I'm gonna put this one aside. Go in with this shade right here. I'm guessing this shade is either, I think it's called Bling. Yeah, that makes sense. Bling, or it's called Full Zip, I'm not sure. But it's just like a nice like bone color, so we're just gonna set the eyes. With that, just make them even. I'm gonna take, what do I wanna do? Ooh. I'm gonna take this color right here, and I think it's called Big Cocktail, or it's called Champs. I don't know how this is going, but I'm gonna take that and put that in, I'm gonna blend that into the crease. It's like this nice, just like orangey shade. Another, I need to clean my brushes so bad, they're so gross. Anyways, I'm gonna take this other Morphe brush, and I am, what do I wanna do? I'm gonna take this color right here. Again, don't know what color this is, so. And we're gonna put this in the outer V area. I'm gonna get wild here because I don't even know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna take this color right here and kind of just like put it in the center here, make like an ombre effect, I guess. I'm not really sure. Again, I'm just like playing around with makeup. I haven't really done like a full glam in a long time. I'm actually gonna mix, so I'm gonna take this color here and then that like bone color that we use just on the lid to like set our eyes, and I'm gonna mix them. And that's what's gonna go from the inner corner to like kind of in the middle here. So we're doing a matte look today. Okay, kind of messed up, but We're gonna move on to the face now. So, anyways, we have the primer on, and I'm gonna just spray my face with a little Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Spray. Smells good. We're gonna finish the eyes after, so I don't know which foundation I want to use today because these are so old, but they're so good. So it's the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir or my e.l.f. Oil-Free SPF 15 sunscreen one. This one has SPF 20 as well. So I think I'm gonna go with the CoverGirl one. Haven't used this in a while, so I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Like, I don't know, 1 to 2 pumps. And do I want to? No, let's use my beauty blender. Okay. I'm just gonna dab it onto the face. I have not used this foundation in a long time, but it smells like cucumbers and I love it. So yeah, I haven't used this in a long time. Kind of forgot like how it applies, but it's super natural. It looks really pretty on the skin. Like the perfect shade because I remember buying this last summer and I was super tan, so it worked out. I am just gonna apply a little bit to my red areas, like my little blemishes or my little pimples to cover them. The shade Buff Beige when I'm tan, like right now. So we are going to conceal and highlight this face. So I'm gonna use this is so light, guys, but I'm gonna use it just to highlight my under eye, like a tiny bit, because I got the wrong shade. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Satin Finish, but it's so light. So I really have to be gentle with it and just the bridge of my nose. And that's it. The other concealer is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. You guys know I love this concealer. Such a good drugstore concealer. And I'm just going to apply that to my little blemishes here. So I just blended that other concealer out. And then I'm just going to spray my beauty blender because it's a little dry. And we're going to blend out the e.l.f. concealer that's like super freaking light. And hopefully it'll highlight a little under the eyes. But this concealer is honestly so good. I think it's like, what, $6? I need to go back and get a new shade that's a little bit darker so I can like use it every day when I'm not, you know, full glamming it. I do have a new blush that I want to, actually I have a few blushes here, but I've been wanting to try this out for so long. It's the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Cream Blush. And this is in 350 Flushed. So it's a little bit on the corally side. I love cream products, guys. So I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. Oh gosh, I'm a little nervous. It's a little corally. So I don't typically go for blushes this bright, but we're going to try it out. So I'm going to use my finger here. And I'm just going to do like 2 little dots because I'm really scared. And we're gonna blend it out with the beauty blender. I like really rosy cheeks, so I figured let's get like a corally color. Oh my gosh, that's actually really pretty. It looks intimidating like out of the bottle, but once you kind of blend it in, it looks a lot more subtle. I put a lot more on this side. The eyes, like it kind of just like blends it all together. I really like that. I'm gonna apply a little bit on the nose because I love the like sun-kissed burnt look, like you just got done tanning. I love that. So I really like that. I'm gonna set my under eye really quick, just the under eye, and then we're gonna move on to bronzer. You guys know I don't really set too much. I just like my skin to be glowy. But I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Powder. And I'm just gonna sweep that under the eyes. Kind of where the concealer is. Okay, so for bronzer, I have two here because I wanted to show you guys my favorites. But I have, of course, the e.l.f. I think this is the primer infused bronzer. Super pretty. Love this. But today I am bringing back an oldie, and it's the it's the Neutrogena Healthy Skin in 30 Sun Kissed. I use this so much back in the day on my channel. It's like 4 different colors. You blend them together, and it's literally the most gorgeous thing ever. It makes you look so sun-kissed and bronze like you just got back from the Bahamas. So I'm gonna tap that excess off, but like it's so subtle and I love it, and it just it's absolutely gorgeous. It's really pretty. Oh wait, I wanted to test out this brush. I got this brush from Essence. It was like $4.99, super affordable. It's a bronzer brush, and it's so soft. Like, it's actually really like beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna test it out. Gonna add a little bit of. Actually, I'll test it out with some blush. So, just gonna wipe that off because we're gonna set this cream blush. I know it looks really beautiful, but I really want to test out this palette. So we're gonna go a little crazy. So this is the LA Girl Blush Palette in Island Hottie. This is a new product I'm testing out. And usually I would leave my face like this, but I just really am excited to test this out. So really sleek packaging. And this is what the palette looks like. Like, that's beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh, you can see my mess, but that is a beautiful palette. Okay, this is gonna sound really weird, but oh wait, actually, I don't know what color to use. All right, I'm gonna mix this color here and a little bit of this color and a little bit of this. Actually, like, I'm just gonna mix them all because we're that type of girl. Oh, this brush is so nice. Okay. Like I said, I just like went down the line and mixed them all. This like brush, because this brush is usually for bronzer, not blush, but I like it for blush because it kind of just like diffuses the blush out. It makes it more subtle, and I really like that. Now I'm looking really blushed. I'm gonna take my Ulta brow pencil here. This is only like $8 or so. Super affordable. It's a dupe, I would say, for the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I need to stop looking at my viewfinder that's over here and look here because you guys are probably like, why the hell are you looking over here the whole video? But it's fine. I'll get used to it. But anyways, my brows need to be done, so I'm not doing too much to them because they're horrible. I take my gross L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I need a new one. Hopefully this works still because I haven't used it in a while. I want to apply this NYX Wonder Pencil in light to my lower lash line, just to make it pop a little. I love adding white to the lower lash line. It kind of just opens your eyes up. So we are now going to move on to highlighter, and then we're going to move on to the lips, and then we should be done. So I'm really excited. So for highlighter today, I took out a liquid one, but because we sat there, I don't think that's a good idea. So instead, we're gonna go with a goodie. An oldie, but such a good highlighter from the drugstore. Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Hopefully I'm like tan enough for this right now, but it's fine. A little goes such a long way with this, but this highlighter is, oh my gosh, to die for. It's so pretty. It's so intense though. Like, it's so intense. Okay, down the nose a little. Ugh, look at that highlighter. So I'm gonna set the face real quick with the Colourpop hyaluronic acid. And then we're just gonna dab that into the skin, let everything melt together. It's kind of like a beauty hack that I like to do. Okay, now we're gonna move to the lips. I'm gonna wipe my lips off first. I wanna do like a nice red lip, so I picked up this e.l.f. Seriously Satin like lipstick in the shade Pepper. I saw a YouTuber use this and it was gorgeous. Usually I don't go for lipsticks. I'm more of like a liquid lipstick type of girl, or mostly a gloss. But we're gonna test it out today. Hopefully it looks good. I'm not the best at applying bold lips. I actually like suck at it, so it might look really gross. It has like this nice clear packaging. Beautiful. Like, that is just beautiful. Hopefully this looks good. Okay, whoa, glides on really nicely. Okay, I like this a lot. So this is the completed look, guys, and I'm obsessed with it. All the new products I tested out today, the CoverGirl Cream Blush, the Essence Brush, the LA Girl Blush, and this lipstick is to die for. It is gorgeous. I love how the look came out. Super summery, very like tropical vacation-y with this red lip. Highly recommend these. They have so many different colors, and they're so comfortable on the lip. Like, I love that. I mean, it is transfer proof, but it's not a liquid lipstick, so what do you expect? I love how everything turned out. I was just super bored and was like, let's just test out some makeup and let's just, you know, play around, see if we still got the skills. And I'd say I still have my makeup skills for a full glam. The lipstick application could be better, but I'm not good at applying bold lips. I never was. Hope you guys really enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!